Hello guys, today we will learn about the Terminator Fair which is held in Gujarat. The Terminator Fair. India has a rich culture heritage. Every state has its uniqueness in practically all aspects of life. Food, clothes, arts and crafts, entertainment, philosophy, mannerism and the very way of living. Gujarat too is proud of its culture. It had a vast variety of dances with its accompanying music and colorful costumes. The native of each village to town have special occasions when they burst into their dancing rivalry. Based on the legend of Draupadi Swayamvara, this fair is a celebration of ethnic Gujarat's folk dance, music, costumes, and the arts, centered around young tribal men and women seeking marriage partners. But even for those not interested in finding a spouse, the romance and excitement in the air are captivating, and every year the fair seems only to grow in popularity, attracting visitors and tourists from Gujarat, elsewhere in India, and even abroad. Here, the many colorful costumes, glittering ornament, and free spirited movement of folk dances all combine to create a memorable scene. As the dancers surge in waves of circular movement, the incessant throbbing of the drums keeps them moving in unison. And the drum beats continue throughout the day, even as the dancers change from one group to the next. Many kind of folk dances are performed. By far the most popular is the Ras, in which dancers hold sticks to clack against those of other dancers. As many as 1 to 200 women perform Ras Das in a single circle, to the beats of 4 drums at a time and the tune of Jodia Pavas. You may also see people break out into a spontaneous hudo. Here, people are playing hudo. Rabari women of nearby Jhalawad perform the famous circular folk dance called Rahudo. Their marital status is indicated clearly by their costumes. A black jimmy means she is married, but if a woman is wearing a red jimmy, it means she has not yet tied the knot, probably seeking a husband. The potential husband seeking brides are elegantly dressed in colorful dhotis, artistically designed waistcoats, and a headcloth twisted at an angle, moving about the fairground at Turnitin with striking umbrellas, advertising the bachelorhood they are keen to relinquish. Numerous sadhus and bhajan mandlis, religious music groups, are engrossed in singing continuously, accompanied by folk instruments. The Ternator Mela covers a large part of the Ternator village with a huge number of stalls put up to sell beautiful local handicraft unavailable elsewhere, along with ethnic jewelry, statues of deities, and traditional attire with tiny mirror embroidered into the clothing. There are also merry-go-round rides, photographer stalls, magic shows, and tattoos artists who attract a large variety of visitors. When the fair is held for 3 days every year during the Hindu calendar dates of Bhadrava Sud 4th, 5th, and 6th, during the Georgian calendar months August to September. This year, Turnitin Fair will be held from 1st September to 4th September 2019, where the Turnitin Fair is held 8 kilometers from the town of Dhangad in Surendranagar district. This is the nearest railway station on the Ahmedabad-Hapa Broad Gauge line. The nearest town with road transportation to other places is Chotila, 25 km from Dhangad, which is connected by ST bus from Rajkot, 75 km, Jamnagar 162 km, Ahmedabad 196 km, or Porbandar 252 km. From Bhavnagar, Chotila can be reached either via Rajkot, a trip of 264 km, or via Botad, a shorter journey of 190 km. Chotila, Dhangad, and Ternator are well connected by ST buses and other mode of transportation. The nearest airport is Rajkot, 75 km away. Interesting facts about the Ternator Fair. The Kolis of Saurashtra initiated the custom of embroidering umbrella, which are exquisitely elaborated in terms of embellishment. The embroidery of each is unique and rises from the edge all the way to the top, with beadwork and patchwork in the design as well. Small colorful handkerchiefs are attached all around the edges to attract further attention. This man spends over a year embroidering their umbrellas. Their intention is to entice the girls with their art, clothes, and handgear and impress them so that they can propose them for marriage. It is not surprising that before the fair is over, they usually meet the lady of their choice. History of the Ternator Fair. Legend says that this fair has been held here since antiquity. Its original is linked with the story of Draupadi's Swayamvar, where the great archer Arjun performed the difficult task of piercing the eye of a rotating fish with an arrow by only looking at its reflection in the water. Through this feat, he won his bride Draupadi. Historically speaking, this festival tradition is believed to have begun 250 years ago. The fair is held on the ground of the temple of Trinadeshwar Mahadev, which means the three-eyed god. The old temple that used to stand in Ternator was ruined, but a new one was built by the Gayakwad of Vadodara in the 9th century and is now the focal point of the festival. It stands on the bank of the Rivulet and opens into a beautiful kund. It is locally believed that this site used to be the original course of the Ganga River at some point in history. So, a dip in the temple tank is considered by pilgrims to be as auspicious as swim in the holy Ganga. Being the most important fair of Saurashtra, Ternator is attended by more than 50,000 people. The main castes that have been participating are the Kolis, Rabaris, Bharwats, Kants, Kanbis, Kathis, Charans, the Harijans, and the Des Rabaris. With its growing reputation, visitors from rest of the India and many different parts of the world are also seen here. Thank you for watching.